All right, y'all, so it is currently Friday, September 20, today the 28th or the 29th. It's one of those dates. No, today's the 28th, I think. And my husband is at Walmart. Oh, I meant to tell him to get some bags. Can you bring some trash bags home? They don't have to be big. They don't have to be big, but we just need some more trash bags. It is currently like 9:50. It's almost 10 o'clock. The kids are in the bed, but they're not asleep, as you can hear. As soon as my husband gets home, we are gonna be moving this couch to the U-Haul, which is sitting outside right now. And then my husband is going to be taking the TV down, and we are going to be moving the washer and dryer tonight as well. And I guess I'm gonna stay up and clean up. I'm gonna let my husband sleep and stuff, but we both really need to go to sleep because we're both gonna be moving tomorrow. So he'll probably stay up and help me clean up, but I don't want to force it on him because, you know, he's been at work all day. So I just want to really get a good cleaning in, so we won't have to spend a lot of time here tomorrow. It's all about preparation. I really believe that it's all about the preparation of the move that's gonna make it as seamless and as smooth as possible. Guys, lay down now. It's time to go to bed. It is 11:34.
I'm hungry.
You done worked up an appetite bag. Y'all, this wagon is a blessing. Do you hear me? I said the wagon is a blessing.
Shit.
Do y'all think the kids would know if I threw these stuffed animals away? This is what the living room is looking like so far. We took the TV off the wall, and yeah, I'm about to pick up these crumbs, and then I'm gonna vacuum this mother loving floor. What's up, LK Clean? It's moving day. Do y'all hear this?
You know, we can literally get movers to come move this stuff in our U-Haul.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, maybe we should call somebody to come get the stuff out of the U-Haul and put it into the apartment. They charge by the hour.
Come on.
It'd be like $200 an hour, bro. Anyways, yes they do. One of my clients did it. But y'all, we about to drop the kids off at my father-in-law's house. He was so kind enough to keep the kids for us, so we're shipping them off to his house with lots of toys and all that good stuff. I'm gonna go get them some food.
They got, you know, they opened
But
up KFC.
Oh really? They're really the kids are really excited about going to Granddaddy's house. And I am just ready for this move to be over with because I'm sleepy. Anyways, let's do this.
Didn't want to go to bed.
So y'all, we just left Walmart. We just left Walmart and the gas station. We got to get money order and gas and all that stuff. Now we about to clean the van out because well, we're not gonna clean it out, but we gonna.
Look at that back.
No, I'm not. I'm too embarrassed.
Show them the back seat.
No. No.
Okay.
No.
There's no judgment here.
No.
There's no judgment.
I'm not showing y'all. No. Let's go.
Show it.
Nope. Do y'all see how close my husband parked to our U-Haul? Like, I could barely even get out the car. Come on. Louis, come on.
I'm enjoying my car. I'm almost done. See, look.
No, you not. Come on, we still gotta go and re-sign our lease.
I can't do anything.
Well, come on.
Why are you turning off my air?
Come on, so we can go. You can drink it in the house. Light skin problems. So this is what we have left to do here, guys.
My wife wants to put all this in the van.
Oh, all of this is definitely going in the van. Cause we ain't putting nothing else in that U-Haul. It's packed to capacity. And then our room. I have faith to believe that we can get all of this in the room. What do y'all think? I think I might get rid of these desks though. Well, the desk, I don't know. I was telling them that I think I may get rid of the desk.
Yeah,
He has no faith in me, literally.
It's real. It's, God darn it.
You can't even talk, my nigga.
It's logic. This stuff ain't all going in the van, but whatever.
Yeah. I can show y'all the good spots to keep in the van.
She got 5 bags talking about she gonna show us. Did y'all see that apartment?
Watch the poop.
The poop. Let's zoom in on this
Somebody
poop.
stepped on it. Somebody had a
Somebody smushed
break
it.
night. Oh, this is like really.
Mind y'all what y'all just seen.
What?
The entire apartment, mind y'all.
Y'all better believe.
This is one trip too, by the way, guys. This is what we established that we were supposed to get the rest of this stuff in one trip.
Look at that, we still got space there. We still got space. Alright, let's go get the next batch. How do you not stop? Babe, you okay? Are you okay?
Step in the poop. Step in the poop.
We about to drive this to the dumpster, y'all.
About to drive and walk it.
Walk it like I drive it, walk it, drive it, walk it. What was that? We need to get them chairs too.
What chairs?
On the patio. Come on, babe. Woo, y'all. The top of the van is concealed. We got the desk right there. Lord. We good? You sure? Say hey.
Hey. Look down. Down.
Tell them what had just happened. So.
What just happened? Tell us what just happened.
So basically, we thought that the new apartment complex was going to be closing at 3 o'clock. The leasing agent, and mind you, we called them like 3 times, trying to, you know, make sure that we good, you know, nobody answered. She calls us and she's like, okay, well, we're here until 2 o'clock. Yeah, it is 1:30. We have tried to call them so many times. That's like a red flag. I hope we don't have no issues with this house. I will go to that leasing office.
What I'm gonna do when I walk in there for real though? I'm gonna call to see if the freaking phone rings. And I might answer it. I might pick it up. I might pick their phone up to see if it works.
Can't wait to show y'all the new apartment. Got our keys and our what's these called? Fobs? Key fobs.
Yep.
Now we're about to go do inspection of the apartment, and then I guess we'll start moving stuff in. You ready, babe?
Let's see.
I'm tired, but I'm okay. I'm tired, but I'm okay. are officially moved in.
Last time we get to work, baby.
I am so ready for a shower. I've been moving and working so much and like just sweating, so y'all can imagine, you know. So we about to go and get the kids and feed them and all that good stuff. So guys, this is going to be the end of this moving vlog. Babe is currently over there playing with his power tool. It's like a little drill thing. But about to go get the kids and all that good stuff, and I'm gonna come home and try to get some stuff done. I don't know when this vlog is gonna be put up. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have cable and all that stuff installed, and this lighting is so much better in here.
It's lit.
Is it lit?
It is thou forth lit and forevermore.
Is that right?
Yes.
When she calls me, baby, you know I don't pull out when we loving. Touching and kissing and licking. No receiving your panties or something now. And my girl